What up, YouTube? It's your boy Southern Smoke Boss back at it again. So today I'm gonna make some curry chicken. I got some chicken legs and some tenders for the wife. Then I got a plate of tomatoes, onions, green peppers, and some fresh garlic. And I picked up this curry powder, try it out. I got this goyos. I'm gonna put on this chicken and season. Then this is gonna be one of my sides, yellow rice and red bean season. You know, then I'm gonna have some cabbage. You'll see it when I plate it. So what I'm gonna start off by first is I'm gonna put this one of these packs on there. Excuse me. I'm gonna add one more pack, it looks like. I'm just gonna carry it, cover it with curry. Gonna give it nice flavor before you put that. So then I'm just gonna come and sprinkle the curry all over it, like so. Mix that around, come back with a little more. Flip the chicken over, take it to the next side. It's not spicy or nothing, it don't smell like it's spicy. I hope it's not too spicy. Mix it up. And I'm just gonna let this marinate for about an hour. I'm gonna mix everything in there with it. Just mix it up like so. Okay. Then I'm just gonna cover that for an hour. I'm gonna pour some oil in the pan, and it must get hot. I'm gonna add, once it get hot, I'm gonna add some curry, some of the curry in there, 1/8 of a teaspoon curry powder. Just add in there, but first we're gonna let the oil get hot. So I'm gonna add some onions and green pepper to the oil since it's hot. And I'm putting this in so it can get the oil, have a nice flavor for the chicken. And I'm gonna come on and add in my curry powder so I make it to a paste. So about them onions, you know, cooked down pretty good. The paste don't thicken up pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and add our chicken in. And from the first beginning, we're not gonna put water in. We're gonna add some parsley on top. Yes, I'm gonna pour the thyme in my hand because if you don't pour that, they can get very powerful and over strong. So that's about enough time. I'm gonna add my carrots in. And I'm gonna put the top on top. Let it simmer down. So the chicken makes its own juice, so that's why I didn't pour my cup of water in right away. I'll maybe pour that in once the chicken and water cook down some. This is the finished product. It has been cooking for about 45 minutes. I never added water to it, and look how much juices we still got left in there. So check it out. What you guys think? Hey, it's about to be some amazing eating. We got the carrot chicken, the cabbage, and we got the red beans and rice. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you already haven't. Peace out.